chassis are the wheels that are used during takeoff and landing. And now let's install the helicopter bucket. And extinguish fire from above. And now we need to install the seats. The pilot and crew of a helicopter sit on the seats. It's time to install controls. They are necessary for a pilot to control the helicopter. Now let's install a fuel tank. The fuel tank contains gasoline or other fuel. Let's install a fuselage. Parts of an aircraft are attached to the fuselage, and equipment and cargo are placed inside it. At first, let's install an engine. The engine makes the rotors of a helicopter turn. Now we need to install a main rotor. The main rotor lifts a helicopter upwards. Let's install a tail rotor. The tail rotor helps a helicopter change directions. You're doing really great. We did it! Choose the next vehicle.